you will never be able to overcome your panic attacks even if you eat right, exercise, and connect with your loved ones. But if you simply sleep, then you might be able to overcome your panic attacks. Because you have to understand that sometimes even making the poorest decision like sleeping is going to help you solve amazing problems, because those poorest decisions are going to increase your luck. But even if you take seemingly good decisions in your life, because of your bad luck, nothing is going to be solved. Now, sleeping is very important in order to increase your luck. Not just normal sleeping that you do every night, but the sleeping that I tell you in this video. You have to understand that while you are sleeping, your brain is naturally trying to go into a theta brainwave state and delta brainwave state. Right now, as you're watching me in this phone or a tablet, your brain is producing beta waves. When you're super stressed, when you're having anxiety, panic attacks, worries, concern, your brain is producing high beta waves, which are not very coherent and not very healing. But as you approach sleep, your brain will start to create these slow, coherent alpha brainwaves, theta brainwaves, and in deep sleep, delta brainwaves. All of these three brainwaves are very healing in nature. When your brain starts to approach alpha brainwaves, your brain starts to create mental imagery. It starts to think in pictures now. And in theta brainwaves, you become very suggestible to all the mental imagery that you're going to perform, to all the feelings. Under theta brainwaves, you can actually program your mind. You can actually program yourself to become happier. And during deep sleep, there is theta brainwave. That is when you cannot do anything. So you have to catch yourself in this theta brainwave. And theta brainwave is when you are right in the door between sleeping and awake. When you're right in the middle of wakefulness and asleep and being asleep, that is when your brain is creating these theta brainwaves. That's when you can program yourself to become free from panic attacks. So tonight, as you go to bed at night, I want you to do Yoga Nidra. What that means is you just put your attention all over your body one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. People like Dr. Andrew Huberman have been calling Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. When you do Yoga Nidra correctly, your brain will create these alpha brainwaves and theta brainwaves, and that's when you become very suggestible to all the imaginal act that you're going to perform in this exercise. Now, after you do Yoga Nidra, you have to start to create an imaginal act where you're already free from panic attacks and you're living a life where everything is turning out wonderful for you. For example, you can create an imaginal act where you are dating a beautiful girl, you're touching her hair, you're kissing her, you're smelling her perfume. She is complimenting you on how peaceful and how powerful of a human being you are. You're drinking coffee, you're smelling the aroma of coffee, and you're saying to yourself, wow, I can finally drink coffee again because I'm free from panic attacks. If you provide enough sensory vividness to this imaginal act, then the imaginal act becomes very real to your mind. And if you hold your attention on these kinds of imaginal act and mentally rehearse them over and over again, that imaginal act is going to program you to actually become free from panic attacks. You're actually going to feel the feelings of that imaginal act. Because you have imagined all the wonderful things happening to you, you are going to feel the elevated emotions of joy, gratitude, empowerment, and you are going to sleep as you feel these elevated emotions of joy, gratitude, and empowerment. And the next morning, you will wake up as a completely different human being because you have programmed yourself, you have programmed your mind with amazing mental imagery and elevated emotions of joy, gratitude, and empowerment. This is how you overcome your panic attacks. So sometimes simply by sleeping, you can actually overcome your panic attacks. You do not have to go to therapy sessions or buy anxiety pills in order to deal with your mental health issues. Just know how to sleep correctly. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will hold your hand to success and I will teach you Yoga Nidra, I'll teach you how to imagine correctly, I'll teach you how to embrace the emotion of this imagine or act correctly so that you can reprogram the subconscious mind and completely change your personal reality, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and also the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.